Hello everyone. In this tutorial I wanna teach you that how to make simple Hello World application. First of all you need to open Xcode. Make sure that this is a single view application. Write down the name of your project. Uncheck all the boxes. Click on a main.storyboard. Write label in search bar. Drag this to your project. Now we need to set the constraints. First we will set its width and height. You will see the red line if all constraints are not properly set up. Click on this and make it center in vertical and horizontal. Write anything you want to show in the label. Now application is ready to run. In the next tutorial you will learn about text field.